Ever felt stuck on a task and wish someone could just guide you through it step by step? Well, guess what? There's an AI tool which can do that. Hey Google, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Can you separate the audio from the video?
Okay, I can help you with that. Select the video file in the timeline. Right-click and select Unlink or Separate Audio. This will separate the audio track from the video file.
Wow, that is pretty cool, right? In this video, I'll show you how to use this powerful tool step by step. Plus, I'll put it to the test with real-time tasks like working in Google Sheets, editing in Photoshop. So stick around till the end. I'm Brand from Website Learners, and let's get started. First, let's go to Google AI Studio. So to do that, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Click Sign in to Google Studio. Now go to Stream Real Time. Now here you have 3 ways to interact with Google AI Studio. You can talk to Google AI Studio using your microphone, or show what you're looking at through your webcam, or even share your screen so it can guide you through step-by-step processes. But before we do that, remember that Google AI records your screen and microphone while you use it. Google uses this data to train the AI model, so make sure that you don't have any confidential information on your screen. So I'm going to share my screen and see how it guides me. You can just click here. Now you will be able to see your computer screen. So let's select that. Alright, now let's click Share. Hey Google, I need some help with Google Sheets and I just shared my screen.
Okay, you've shared your screen and mentioned you need some help with Google Sheets. Is there a specific function or formula you're having trouble with?
Okay, can you see my screen right now?
Yes, I can see your screen. I see a spreadsheet with sales data. What would you like to do?
I want to create a pivot table to analyze the sales performance of each country. So can you guide me through it one by one?
First, please select all of the data in your spreadsheet, including the headers.
Alright, I've selected all the data. What should I do next?
Okay, great. Now that you've selected all of the data, please click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen, and then select the Pivot Table option.
Okay, done. What's next?
Okay, I see you've opened the Create Pivot Table window. Now please select whether you want to insert the pivot table into a new sheet or into an existing sheet.
I'll keep it in the new sheet.
Then click Create.
Yes, I did that.
Okay, now since you want to analyze sales performance by country, in the Pivot Table editor, under Rows, click Add. Then choose the country field. After that, under Values, click Add, and then select the sales field.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, you have created a pivot table to find the sales per country.
That was pretty cool. Google just watched our screen and understood what we needed and helped us solve the problem step by step. And here's a quick note. Each session lasts only 10 minutes and it'll automatically stop. If your problem isn't solved, don't worry, you can just start a new session and give a quick recap of what you've done, since Google doesn't remember the past chats. This helps it pick up where you left off and continue helping you. Now let's see how Google can assist with another tool. And this time, I'll ask help with Photoshop. So let's go to Google Studio. Click here to start the session. I'm going to share my screen again. Hey Google, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like Photoshop has been opened with an image.
Can you see this person in the background? I want to remove the person from this picture. So can you tell me how to do that step by step?
Sure, to remove the person in the background, first, select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. It looks like an arrow pointing to a rectangle with a dotted outline.
Yes, I've selected the Object Selection tool. Now, what should I do next?
Okay, now click on the person you want to remove.
Yes.
Once you click on the person, a selection of dotted lines will appear around them. Did that happen?
Yeah, I can see the dotted lines around the person.
Okay, now press the Delete key on your keyboard. Photoshop should automatically fill in the space with Content-Aware Fill. Do you see the background person is removed?
Wow, that was super easy. Okay, let's try something different. I'll ask Google to guide me through creating another user on this PC. So let's start a new session. Hey Google, I need to add a new user to my PC, so can you help me with that?
Okay, you would like help setting up a new user on your Windows 10 PC. and you are asking me to guide you step by step. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, to open settings, can you click on the Start menu, which is the Windows logo on the bottom left corner of your screen? Okay, now that you've opened the Start menu, can you look for the settings icon, which looks like a gear, and click on it? Now, can you click on the Accounts icon?
Alright, I got it. I'm in the accounts section, so what's next?
Okay, on the left side of the screen, click on Family and Other Users. Now click Add someone else to this PC to continue creating a new user account.
Alright, I click the button.
Okay, now enter the username and password for the account.
Done.
Now click on the Next button. Okay, it looks like the new user account has been created. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I think that's about it. Thank you. Alright guys, that was pretty cool. So after using Google AI Studio, I must say it's super helpful in learning how to use a new software. It gives clear guidance and makes things easier. Of course, it's not flawless. Sometimes it might provide incorrect steps, but if you notice an issue, just point it out and it will correct itself. But overall, it does a great job walking you through each step. So that's it guys. This is how you can use Google AI to learn any new software. I hope you guys like this video, and if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Website Learners. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.